What's up, y'all? Today's what? May 16th, 2021. Here's my juice. What I have in here. This is celery, cucumber, parsley, cilantro. What's that thing? Is it buck? A bok choy? No. It tastes like licorice. And what else is in here? Lemon, lime. I didn't put any ginger. And lemon, lime, and a little piece of orange, and of course some water. So this is 12 bottles of 16 ounce. This should last me about 3-4 days. So I like to do my juice. At least fennel. That's it's not bok choy. I said bok choy. It's fennel. So let me do my ingredients all over. I'm trying to do from memory. So I have celery, cilantro, parsley, fennel, kale, lemon, lime, and a little piece of orange, and of course some water. I put this in the blender. So, but when you're blending, it all depends. It's all a preference. If you like yours like smoothie, then you just put a little bit of water. But if you like yours like juice, which I like mine's like juice, see, it's like juice. I like mine's like juice, so I put at least a good bit of water, and then mix it up nicely. This is 12 bottles of 16 ounce. This should last me about 3 days if I drink like 3. My goal is to drink 3 to 4 bottles of this a day. So this is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. That's 3 days worth. Or if I get lazy, I drink 2 a day, and I can stretch a little longer. But this makes your life and your job much easier. So you don't have to do juicing every day. You can blend them. Just have enough bottles. I purchased these are mason jars. Glass bottle from, it was on sale at a Target across the street from where I live, and it was like $8.99 for 12 of these bottles. I bought like two cases, so I got 24 of them. Yes, so I didn't have enough, so that's why I used to do like 5 or 6 bottles of juice, and then every day or two I had a juice. So I said, now just juice once, maybe twice a week. I make my juice and I stack it up in the fridge. And it makes your life easier. When I'm down to the last 2 bottles, then I know it's time to refill. I don't wait till if you wait till you finish the last bottle, something will pop up. You get lazy, another excuse. So once I'm down to the last 2 bottles, I know it's time for me to refill, and I refill. Then I take the last 2 bottles and put it in the front, and then all the new ones in the back, and I continue my process like that. When I'm down to the last 2, it's time to refill. So those are the ingredients. Of course, I put pure raw natural honey. And I put a pear. I had 2 pear that was pretty ripe. I had kept them in the fridge for almost a week or 2. And they're very ripe and soft and sweet. So I didn't have to put too much honey. So a pear, 2 pears, and I just slice it up and blend it up nicely. And it tastes real good. It's really, really good. So that's the ingredients. We're doing this, right? Don't forget, you guys, we are going to do this. You know the goal is eat 1 meal a day. Pick any kind of meal, your favorite meal, your fufu, your eba, your pizza, your hamburger, just whatever. Eat 1 meal a day. Pick any day of the week to do it. Eat 1 meal a day. Pick any time of the day to do it. You can say, let's say your time to eat is between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. That's fine. But every day you must eat at between that same time, between 4 to 6 p.m. you eat. Anything, eat your big plate of burgers, pasta, rice, fufu, chicken, whatever, eat it. But in between your meals, try to drink 3 to 4 bottles of this. This is 16 ounce. Try to drink 3 to 4 bottles of these every day. So you can drink one. It will do your body good if you drink one first thing in the morning. Let that be the first thing your body have. That's what it's called, breakfast. You are breaking a fast. Don't drink coffee. I love coffee, but coffee is not the first thing that enter my stomach. One of these, you have one in the morning, you wake up. Maybe another 2-3 hours later, you drink another one. After you eat your meal, if you still feel hungry, you drink the last one before you go to bed. That's great. If you can drink 3 to 4 bottles of this every day and eat 1 meal a day, your body, your health will thank you, and you will thank me. Amen. Thank you. This is Dagnet, and let's share recipes and opinions, suggestions, encouragement below. Thank you. And if you have videos you want me to upload, recipes, send me your video through WhatsApp. Make sure between 1 to 5 minutes, and I'll upload it for you. All right? Or you can start your own channel, no problem. What's up? Bring it. And that's my little helper right there. That's mommy little helper. Is that Miss Angel on the floor right there? Who's ready to go for a ride? Okay, let's go get Angel's leash. Where is my leash? Let me go get Angel's leash. Where is it, Angel? Where is your leash? Go bring it now. Come on, go bring the leash. Where's my keys? Let me get my keys. Where's the keys? Go bring my keys so I can go for a ride. I gotta show you because people always like to see. Where's Miss Angel? Miss Angel. Say something to the people now. Yeah, say something. You happy? You wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a walk? Okay, let's go get the keys. Come on. Where's my keys? Come on. Where's Angel's leash? Where's Angel's leash? Where is Angel's leash?